nice to see the ocean here. It sure is beautiful, George. Oh, yes, it sure is.
Oh yeah. I think that is beautiful. That is beautiful thing to see. For us to see.
Yep. All hands on deck. We'll be on our way to the island of paradise as long as we see the ocean. And the forest as well. Yay! Sounds like fun. Yep. We will see the island as we sail on the ocean. We'll be on our way. I could see the dolphins. Yep, me too.
Me as well.
Yep. We're almost there. At least we'll be there.
I sure hope so.
Just like watching the seagulls in the sky. And there's a harp seal on the coast of the island. Oh, yeah. We'll be glad to see that. Yep, me too.
And me as well.
Oh, yes.
Mwah.
We'll be there together. Oh, yes, together.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Land ho! Ah, at last. We made it to the island of paradise, Colleen. Right on, George.
This seems like a good day for adventures.
Oh, yes. Adventures.
Yep. Adventures.
Adventures.